day 4 of Arctic Trek and we just slept in the wind and rain. It was then time to put the tent away, and when it's rainy and windy, it was obviously very amusing for everyone watching. But it's actually really easy, so thanks Young Hunter for that. We joined Mike the mechanic for a coffee and a bit of breakfast while we warmed ourselves through, and obviously had to buy ourselves some Luleå merch. I forgot my hat, so I needed a hat. And then we set off to Luleå Old Town. The weather didn't really let up, and which was a shame considering it was the only day that we decided to actually sleep outside. We were really disappointed that we hadn't seen a moose yet, so we bought a moose and we called it Mike, after Mike the mechanic. And we went over to Luleå Old Town to see what that was all about. Before making the trip, yes, to the Arctic Circle, we made it. It's only taken us about 3.5 days and about 3,000 kilometers, but we made it all the way to the Arctic Circle, and now we're in Finland, and now we're heading to Finnish Lapland to have something to eat and a change of clothes, because it's been a long day. We then took Mike the Moose along some of the bumpiest and longest, straightest roads ever in our quest to find Santa's village. How's the traffic?
Another straight road, no other big vehicles, all good.
After a couple of hours of bone-shaking solitude on roads, we ended up in Santa's village, which is where we were staying, but not actually. We are at the Arctic Circle post office for Santa Claus. This is where all the letters come when you send them to Santa Claus. How awesome is that? Can't come to Lapland and not visit Santa. Unfortunately, due to the time we got there, we didn't actually get to see Santa, so I'll have to come back with my kids. Obviously, they'd be devastated. We checked ourselves in for a bit of a treat after the day before. This was the Nova Skyland Hotel. This was one of their Arctic lodges, and it was exactly what we needed after the night we had in the wind and rain. A perfect bit of sauna, relaxation, and absolutely amazing food and many laughs. We'll definitely come back to this place because it's absolutely stunning, and we obviously saw reindeer as well, which it's not a moose, but I mean, it's close enough, isn't it? We had an absolutely amazing dinner, followed by obviously some wine and cocktails, and an incredible, beautiful night's sleep that we felt was very earned, and celebrated the fact that we made it all the way to the Arctic Circle. And that was day 4. I'll see you on day 5. What more could be in store?